how to update your communication preferences. To get started, visit nystateofhealth.ny.gov to log into your New York State of Health account. After logging in, go to the Account tab. Scroll down to the Contact Preferences section. Here, you can see your preferred spoken and written languages, as well as your previously selected communication method. To change your communication preferences, click the Edit Account Information button in the top right corner. You will now see the account holder information screen. Take some time to confirm that the information in your account, such as your name, date of birth, and social security number, are correct. Once confirmed, click Next. If you have a change to your mailing address, not your residential address, you are able to make that change on this screen. To update your mailing address, click No and proceed to enter your updated mailing information. Once fully updated, click Next. On the Contact Info screen, you can update your cell phone number, add an additional number for contact, and update your email address. Additionally, you can opt in or opt out of receiving SMS text messages or WhatsApp messages to your preferred phone number. When you scroll down and reach How you receive important documents, you'll be given one of three options to choose from: paperless, printed, or alternative format. Alternative formats are available for the blind and/or visually impaired. Your options are large print printed paperwork, audio CD, or data CD. If none of these options are preferred, you may specify that as well. Furthermore, you can select your preferred spoken language as well as your preferred written language. Once you have completed the rest of the required account and identity information, check the box to agree to the General Privacy Attestation and then click Next to finalize. Visit nystateofhealth.ny.gov to get started.